In this problem, we're asked to find the derivative of the function shown and to simplify the derivative. And looking at this, I can see that this function is a product of two functions, 2x minus 3 and x squared plus 2 to the fourth. This will require a product rule to begin with, and then a chain rule on the second piece. So to begin, we will write down the result of the product rule. The derivative of the first is the derivative of 2x minus 3, that's 2, leaving the second alone, x squared plus 2 to the fourth, plus the first, 2x minus 3, times the derivative of the second piece. This is going to be our chain rule. We'll bring the exponent down, leave what's inside alone, reduce the exponent by 1, and then multiply by the derivative of the inside. The derivative of x squared plus 2 is 2x. We're then asked to simplify. We have found our derivative. We're going to simplify across this sum by factoring as much as we can to begin with. So looking across this sum, I see a 2 that can be factored out and some x squared plus 2's. Since I was chaining on a portion of the product rule, I would expect to be able to factor out whatever I chained on. And in fact, I expect to pull out one less than I started with. In this particular problem, I started with 4, and I see 3 on this side, 4 on that side, so I can pull 3 out. So we'll pull out the 2 and the x squared plus 2 to the third. Now that leaves behind an x squared plus 2 on the left side of the plus sign. And here's that plus sign from our original product rule. On the right, I've got a 2x minus 3, and I have, let's see, I've pulled the 2, so I'm left with the 4 and the x. Next step is to simplify the portions that were not factored out. The stuff that was factored out we will leave alone for now. And in here I will just begin by distributing the 4x. So I've got x squared plus 2 plus 8x squared minus 12x. Now to finish this, I will simplify this portion by combining like terms. After doing so, if any of the factored quantities will further factor,